Hello, this is Miss Siba Mtongana. Yes, Miss Sibalicious is back at the Taste Tube kitchen. Today, I'm going to make easy summer entertaining dishes and starting with my semifreddo, which is ginger and pineapple flavored. I've got my stove going and I'm going to start with my egg yolk mixture. And then just mix everything together. The heat needs to be slow to medium and not too high. They say chefs never burn, but this is very hot. I'm going to add some butter to it to make it nice and smooth and velvety. I need some cling wrap to make sure that there's no skin that forms on the top of my curd. Now while that cools, I'm going to make my base for my semifreddo. Now this is a Sibalicious twist. I've made a very simple sugar syrup, which is 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water. Mixed it together and made sure that all the sugar is nicely dissolved. I have very thin pineapple slices. I'm going to turn my heat off because they're so thin, they'll start breaking and I don't want that. Now I've got my loaf baking tin that I have lined with parchment paper. And the main ingredient for semifreddo is whipping cream. There we go. That is a perfect peak. Slightly jiggly, slightly loose, but not too much. This is where my curd comes in. It has cooled down. I'm going to add that in. Half of the mixture first, fold it in. Now I'm going to pour. Look at that. It's beautiful. Not forgetting yummy. Just level everything out just like that. Ta-da! It is done. So you need a friend to help you with this part. There we go. Now, that's a perfect slice of a semifreddo.